everyone, Giller at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about tools, or rather a specific type of tool, and that is needle nose pliers. Needle nose pliers are one of those unique type of pliers that people go, why do I need those? They got such a small little surface to grab something with. Well, sometimes that's exactly what you need is a small surface. Needle nose pliers come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Like the thumbnail showed here, they've got a whole bunch of different types. They can be extra long ones with either straight tips, curved tips, duck-billed tips, round tips that come together, and they can also come in other as packages and other things such as your multi-tools. Needle nose pliers, I've come to learn, are a necessity for any machinist or mechanic. Sometimes you need to reach down to somewhere and pick something up that you can't get with your hand or you can't get with a regular set of pliers. So look at the needle nose pliers that you have, and just about every toolkit comes with a set of needle nose pliers, and see which ones you wish you had. Because sometime or another, you've tried to get something, do something, you wish you had a different type of needle nose pliers. I probably have about 15 different types around. Some I inherited from my dad. Others I've picked up over the years, working with diesel mechanics and just working on my hobbies with HO gauge and G-scale trains. There's a lot of tools that you pick up for doing things. Now, when it comes to electrical work, needle nose pliers are a requirement, especially if you have to for twisting the wire around to get it to lock onto the screws on receptacles and getting them to fit into breakers just right. So get yourself a good set or 6 of needle nose pliers, and that way you don't run into troubles when you need to work on something. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, tools, and a lot of tools. Why? This is why.